Hello guys, I'm back. It's Suki and welcome to Suki and Economy, where we love to travel on a budget. I woke up to a sunny and cold morning and as usual, prepped ahead of everyone so I can get things started. This is me getting some sun with a coffee bun from last night and a hot cup of coffee. It's December 24 today, 15 hours before Christmas Eve, and our last full day here in Seoul. Today we're going to do a Hanbok Photoshoot with Suki in economy style, so it has to be DIY or just within the budget. Besides renting a hanbok, we don't really have anything else planned. We have the rest of the day to relax or check out a few more places we want to visit on our own while waiting for Christmas Eve. While my family is taking their time, I'm going to check out the hanbok rental stores beside Gyeongbokgung Station, which is a 5-minute walk from where we're staying. So this area is right beside Gyeongbokgung Station exits 3, 3-1, and 4, and is just across Gyeongbokgung Palace, which is the largest palace in Seoul. There's literally hanbok rental stores everywhere you look at here. What most people do is rent a hanbok and go to the palace for a walk and to take pictures. Also, if you didn't know yet, palace admission is free for anyone wearing a hanbok, and this applies to all 4 palaces in Seoul. However, it's winter time and I doubt that we'll be able to enjoy the experience with just minimal clothing inside. So our plan is just to really rent, go back to our accommodation, take photos at the garden, and return the hanbok after a few hours. So since this is the original plan, I scheduled the activity on a Tuesday because the palace is closed on this day and the hanbok stores are less crowded. There aren't a lot of people today. I'm not seeing anyone wearing a hanbok yet or coming to the hanbok stores because Gyeongbokgung Palace is closed today. So one more hanbok rental here just before you exit the street. So I'm gonna ask about the rate and see if it's cheaper here. There's so many hanbok rental shops here. Chin Hanbok, Daehan, K-Star, Yes Hanbok. I survey the stores to compare rates, and the last one I checked out is Daehan Hanbok, which occupies this entire building and has a photo studio inside, which they said we could use for free. This is so convenient because this means we wouldn't have to walk back to our accommodation just to take photos. And the setup is a traditional Korean background, which is really great. Daehan Hanbok is available on Klook, and a full day rate for their traditional/fusion package, which is like the basic option, is 700 pesos or $12 US. If you want to go for an upgraded look and dress like a Joseon era king or queen, go for the premium hanbok, which costs a little more. The rental fee also comes with free locker use and a free use of the traditional headband for girls, while hairstyling comes at an additional cost of 5,000 won or 200 pesos or just $3 US. I'm going to put the link in the description box below. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. We didn't book through Klook though, but the rate is pretty much the same. Since we're not taking out the hanbok and we'll just use it inside for a photo shoot, we availed of the 1 hour rental, which is 10,000 won per person, and traditional hairstyling for 5,000 won. They let us use the photo studio for free and were also more lenient with our time since there are only a handful of people that day. No, it's not a chair. Atlas, you gotta sit on the floor, on the cushion. Atlas, that's not a chair. Sit here, Atlas.
That's why I smell the flowers.
Oh, okay, sure. We're waiting for our hair to get styled. Then we're ready for the photo shoot. Actually, it's just self-photo shoot because it comes with a fee if you get their own photographer. So we're just gonna set up our selfie stick here.
How about something? Are we yet?
Atlas, I know, Atlas. Here. Maybe you can. Wala, libre to. No, Atlas.
Parang sila kanino lang. Are you kneeling?
Atlas,
Okay,
smile.
when you take your solo picture.
Bring down your sword and smile. We'll take a picture. 6, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ito.
Mama.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Smile, ha?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go!
It took so long for us to get a decent family photo, but hey, it's all part of the fun.
And up and down. I can see you.
Okay, wait.
I can see you.
All in all, we spent 100,000 won or 4,000 pesos or $68 for this activity. I think this is a great option if you'd like to have a hanbok experience but it's too cold or too hot outside or you're too shy to walk around in it. That's all for today's vlog and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by, it doesn't make it easy. The other piece of